guys, welcome back to another vlog. I got back from a family trip yesterday, so I thought I'd vlog today because I want to get back into making videos. I had a little break. I've got some branded content to make today, but I thought I'd just make this little follow me around vlog. Just finished my makeup. I have to do some videos and photos for Princess Polly. I'll leave my discount code down below if you want to shop with them. They have the cutest pieces. They're like my favorite boutique ever since I was like in high school. But yeah, I've got to set up my room and stuff. This morning I just unpacked all my luggage. It was like a 3-night stay, but I packed so much. I always have that problem. I can't choose what outfits I want to pack, and I just end up packing everything. I think I said in my last vlog a few days ago that I got so many parcels this week of all this stuff that I need to make content in. Lots of outfits, so I'm very excited. I'll show you, I have like outside my room, I have a rack of all my clothes and some shelves because I can't fit everything in my room. It's a problem. So I organized this rack and it's all the Princess Polly stuff, so I can't wait to try everything on. I've already worn some stuff because they're just so cute. I love them. You can check out my Instagram to see how I style everything. And I had to stack everything else onto this little rack and it's just packed. But yes, let's do this work. So some of you ask how I get the lighting for my room selfie photos, and I just set up my ring light on this side and then I have my makeup mirror there conveniently, and it kind of creates an even light. So that's kind of the aim if you're wanting to take good quality pics. You don't have to have a ring light. You could have, even if you have like a big window in your room to create that light, because natural light is also really good, but creating an even kind of light so there's no harsh shadows is what is gonna make your pics look the best. But yeah, everything I'm wearing is from Princess Polly, even these sunglasses that I have on my head, and this necklace I love. It's like a really thick key, what's this called? Key padlock chain. And yeah, I really liked this basic singlet. I felt like I needed a basic black singlet. And these boots are old, but they're still from Princess Polly. And then I got this cute bag, the Peter and Jane brand bag. But I'm going to take some photos now and also do some video content where I need to use this camera. So I'll see you guys after I'm done. Guys, it's been like 2 hours and I've only done 2 outfits out of like 5 because I've been doing like, I got distracted by doing TikTok, and yeah, I keep getting distracted by things. Normally I'm really quick at like getting content, I'm very focused, but today I'm just like all over the place. Anyway, I'm gonna have a lunch break because I think that's why I can't focus. I'm just really hungry, so I'm having leftover spaghetti. Yum. Anyway, let's eat and finish this job and then I'll get back to you. Yum! It's like an olive spaghetti dish. It's my favorite. Walter? And there's, hey Elvis. Meow. Hey Walter. Walter. Hey babies. That's Fiona. She's nearly 2 years old, I think. And Oliver was born in 2001, so he's 19. What a legend. Hi! Anyway, I bought this satin pillowcase from eBay and it came yesterday. And I slept on it last night when I had freshly washed curls. And it honestly makes a massive difference in the amount of frizz I have when I wake up. So I definitely recommend getting a silk or satin pillowcase. It feels so good on your skin and hair. And it was like $10 from eBay. I tried to get a colour that would suit my bed, and gold was the closest to kind of matching this kind of mustard colour. But yes! Okay, so it's 5:45 now. The whole family is home, so apologies if there's noise in the background. They're like cooking and walking around. I took all day just to do that content for that one brand, which is not ideal. But actually I got some other photos in different outfits and stuff, and I was going to show you this jacket that I got from Depop. It's a vintage find. I kind of had a little shopping spree on Depop and went a bit crazy and bought some stuff because I've been into like the vintage kind of colourful fun vibes at the moment with clothing and fashion. Yeah, I'm just sitting on the floor because it's the end of the day and I'm tired and I just want to be chill and show you some other pieces that I've gotten that I've personally bought and is not through collaborations or PR. Like this jacket, what a bargain. I know you guys probably can't find it because it's like a one-off vintage piece from a random seller in Australia, a girl, and she was kind of like, I don't want to sell it, but I was like, I want to buy it, I will buy it, like whatever price you want. And I think I got it for $60, which is really good for Adidas and like this vintage style. It's perfect. I love the green and the stripes. It's actually amazing, and it's got the logo on the back as well. I was showing my mom and brother and my mom was like, let Will try it on. And my brother tried it on and she's like, oh, he suits it better. And I was like, thanks. I also got this Champion one. My camera's gonna die. Okay, I'll just show you this Champion one. It's got a red hood and then it's got Champion on the back, and it's also just from a random girl on Depop. But how cool. I love these kind of sporty jackets with bright colours at the moment. Another Depop find are these pink pants, and they've got blue squiggly patterns on them. I haven't styled these yet for Instagram, but I'm planning to post a pic in these. I don't know what I'll style it with yet. I just thought they were cool and a bit quirky. I'm trying to spice up the colours in my wardrobe. I'm also obsessed with overalls. I think I'll do a whole video on my overalls collection like I did with my jeans collection. Link down below if you haven't watched it. Got these overalls off Depop. They're like the Stussy brand and they've got yellow stripes. I just thought they were cute. And they're not long, they're short. Okay, this is not a vintage find, but I've been after like a camel nice long coat for winter that I can like throw over a black dress for a winter dinner and look really classy and nice. This one's from Target. I saw it in Target and I was like, that is perfect. That's exactly what I'm looking for, like the woolly thick nice material and the oversized fit with the belt. That one wasn't cheap, it was like $80 for this coat, but it's so nice. The quality is amazing. Thanks Target. Anyway, my camera's gonna die, but I hope you enjoyed this little vlog. It was just kind of a day in the life chill vlog. I just want to keep uploading on YouTube. I think quantity is important and consistency is important when you're trying to grow your channel. But yeah, I love making and editing videos for you guys. Please let me know what you want to see next, and let me know what your favorite type of videos are, whether it's curly hair care, makeup, clothing. I really want to get more into makeup and styling. But yeah, thanks for watching this video. Let me know if you have any questions down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to check out my Instagram too. I love you guys. See you next time.